Hey guys, welcome to Living Waters Farm. Welcome to inside my new chicken coop rabbit hutch. I've been working on this for the last couple weeks. And this is it. Guard dogs, guarding the chickens and the rabbits. There's a little ramp goes up to the roosting box upstairs. I got some very curious dogs that I'm gonna have to train to protect these chickens. What do you think, Zoe? What do you think, Toby? Sammy? What do you think, Doobie? You like it or no? But anyway, I've been talking about it, and it's almost done. Sammy, what do you think, bud? Yeah, see? All right, time to get to work training these dogs to protect their sustainable resource. All right, we'll catch you in the next video. Peace.